Welcome to the weather briefing for the week of October 10th, 2013. This briefing was created at 1 p.m. on Thursday, October 10th. As we take a look at Thursday night and early Friday, low pressure that was over the Four Corners region will make its way up into western South Dakota and western Nebraska. This storm will wrap precipitation around it counterclockwise, so where we see these yellow and green colors, that's where the bulk of the precipitation will be. The blues and the pinks and purples where we'll see lesser precipitation amounts. At this time, it looks like even though colder air will move in from the north overnight into early Friday, at this time moisture looks to be in the form of rain below about 7,000 feet. Above 7,000 feet, we'll see accumulations in the mountains between about 2 and 4 inches between 7 and 8,000 feet. Above 8,000 feet, expect 4 to 8 inches of rain. The bigger issue may be this gusty north wind that will come into play late Thursday night through at least midday Friday, probably even through much of the afternoon, where that north-northwest wind really favors northern Johnson County, so we'll see northwest winds 30 to 50 miles an hour in this part of the state. So from Sheridan down towards Buffalo, including the Piney Creek area, that's where we'll see the gustiest winds. In between, from Bighorn County down through Washakie and into Natrona counties, west to northwest winds 20 to 35 miles an hour. And then this more broad area of the elevated basins of the west and the mountains looking to be west-northwest 20 to 30 miles an hour. In between, less than 15 miles an hour. But overall, we'll see a very windy day across northern Johnson County. Temperatures will be in the mid-40s to lower 50s by the end of the day, and we'll see that rain and snow decreasing from west to east generally through the morning hours. By afternoon, for the most part, we'll see improved conditions. We may still see some lingering showers from the Bighorns, Johnson, and Natrona counties eastward. As we look at Saturday, things really start to clear. We see that low pressure system really scoot off well into Canada by the time Saturday afternoon arrives. Our next system starts to drop into place across the Pacific Northwest, so we'll see drier and warmer air out ahead of that storm system really start to spread across the state. In fact, Saturday looks to be perhaps the warmest and sunniest day of the next 7 to 10 days. Possibly see some late afternoon showers into the evening hours across Yellowstone and nearby northwest mountain locations. But overall, Saturday looks to be a pretty good day, not a whole lot of wind either, and temperatures rebound into the lower to mid-50s. That's still below normal, but not too bad. For Sunday, that low pressure system now drives even farther south. That'll start to bring the moisture into Wyoming, especially along and west of the Continental Divide. That precipitation will spread west to east throughout the day and especially through the evening and overnight hours. Out ahead of that, we'll see fairly warm air still on Sunday east of the Divide. The cloud cover will keep temperatures a little bit cooler across the west. As that low pressure system starts to pull out to the east, we'll see colder air filter in behind that, so the snow levels that were up 7, 8, 9,000 feet during the day on Sunday, that'll change dramatically and will be down to the valley floors by Monday morning. And the best chance for snow looks to be across the northwest mountains and the Bighorn Range, where 6 inches or more of snow could be possible. As we look at Monday afternoon, now that low pressure system again off to our east, that'll wrap cooler air and some moisture back south across the area. Again, the best chance for measurable snow east of the Continental Divide in the lower elevations will come late Sunday night and early Monday. Although the light snow may linger throughout the day east of the Continental Divide, temperatures only between 35 and 45 degrees. That's 15 to 20 degrees below normal. Could be another breezy day across north central Wyoming. We'll have to see how that plays out. Tuesday and beyond, it looks unsettled, folks. It looks like low pressure becomes entrenched across the north central U.S. We're not quite sure where that colder air, if it'll slop all the way back across the entire state or will it set up just across far eastern Wyoming. Safe to say, though, we'll be below average temperatures, mid-50s to lower 60s. We could be colder by 10 degrees or more throughout much of next week. And that north to northwest flow could, aloft, could keep scattered light precipitation across much of the area off and on throughout the week. So here's a peek ahead. We can see the blue colors here indicating much below normal temperatures expected across the central part of the country mid to late next week, with generally around average precipitation. So we thank you for watching us. You're headed out hunting this weekend. Be prepared for the snow and cold that's going to come and last even through Monday. So again, Saturday looks to be the nicest day. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.